So we thought we'd share some of the amazing views and work that's being done at Nightingale Place. Obviously we see this on a daily basis, but we still get very excited by what we're seeing. But I thought it'd be really nice for you to see how well the village is progressing, and to, you know, obviously in different times we'd be inviting you all in to come and have a look at this, but just for the time being we thought we'd just share some of the views so that you can get a feeling for how exciting it all is and how well the project is progressing.